Kate, I tell you what, it's so cool. Just roll the windows down, turn up the Christmas trees, and drive through there.
It really is. And you know what? If you want to do that tonight, it's going to be prime time to do it tonight because the temperatures are going to be perfect. It's so seasonable. We're going to cool down just a little bit. Grab your blanket, grab your hot chocolate, and go take a look at those lights. Out there right now, though, as far as these wildfires are concerned, that's what I'm really focused on to start out our forecast this morning. I want to show you the wind speeds in the Piedmont Triad. You'll notice they are not strong at all. I mean, the strongest one we're seeing is at 5 miles per hour out of Greensboro. And what this means for these fires that are burning, and you can take a look at them right here, is that as they burn today, with these winds being weak, a lot of the smoke is not going to blow into our area. It's going to really stay contained with the fire, which is not good news for where these fires are. And I can tell you areas like Shelby, Charlotte, Hendersonville, and other areas, many areas, even down as far as Georgia, are dealing with these fires. But for us here at home, we are dealing with a code yellow air quality alert. It's just a moderate category here, and I say just very lightly because it's still serious. But as you move down towards Charlotte and then, into the mountain areas, you'll notice it gets to be even unhealthy. So for people in the mountains and, even close to Charlotte, it's tough to even get outside. For us, if you have breathing problems such as asthma, COPD, emphysema, that's when we are going to be concerned in our code yellow area. So I'm going to continue to monitor this because I can tell you this weekend, winds will certainly pick up. We've got a cold front coming through and that will cause those winds to get a little bit stronger. We'll talk about that. Radar is clear for today, though, so as far as any rain to help contain these fires, that's not a factor in today's forecast, especially here at home. There is one day in particular we could see rain, and I'll talk about that right now. So you'll notice over the next 2 days, we're going to have an area of high pressure moving in, and that will happen as early as tonight. And so that's really just going to cool us down, make things seasonable into tonight, but then by tomorrow, we continue to warm up, and things stay clear in our area as that area of high pressure moves down towards South Carolina. This is what I've really got my eye on. This is a front that's not going to be quite to us by Friday night, but it will be to us by Saturday afternoon. And one thing I want you to look at right now that's associated with this front that we need desperately is this rain. And as that rain moves in, that provides us with a 30% chance of showers on Saturday, and that rain could move right over some of those wildfires. Not sure about accumulation yet, and it is going to be a quick shower, but at least it's something. Temperatures right now in the 30s and 40s, 34 in Reidsville, 44 in Greensboro this morning, 46 right here in High Point, 40 in Asheboro and Siler City, and we're also at 46 in Winston-Salem. Chilly start to the morning, so make sure you have that jacket. But a really fun event happening on Saturday. It's Roy's Folks Craft Fair. It's in High Point at the Oak Hollow Mall. On Friday, it's just going to be gorgeous. We actually hit a warm-up. We're going to be at 73 degrees. And, 73 is warm for this time of year. We're going to have that sunshine. Great day to get out there. But as I mentioned for Saturday, we've got that 30% chance of a light shower to pass through, and we'll be at 67 degrees. But overall, I think we'll see a lot of sunshine as well with a little bit of rain. By noon today, we're sitting at 62. Going to be a nice day to get outside for lunch. Plenty of sun and cool temperatures. If you're cold-natured, take a fleece with you. You'll want to do that if you're eating outside. Today, our forecast high being 68 means that sun is shining all day long until it sets tonight, where we drop to 43 degrees. So good night to turn that heat on and grab that extra blanket. It will be clear and chilly outside. Do want to take a look now at our 7-day forecast, though. And as I mentioned, what you're going to notice is a little warm-up happening tomorrow, and that sunshine stays with us. And then by Saturday, as that front moves through, it brings in those chances for some showers. But by Sunday, after that front passes, we drop back into the 50s. And guys, we've got lows in the 20s for Sunday night, so that front is definitely going to make its mark.